Welcome again, guys. I'll be showing you guys in this particular video how I was able to, monitor the NFP today. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let me take you guys through my history on my NT5 trading platform. So you guys can see this is my history to today of on how I was able to kill the NFP news today. So guys, I'm going to show you also the steps which I was able to follow in order to catch these pips, in order to catch the movement of the pips, and also how I was able to kill the markets today. So you guys can see I was able to accumulate total of $4,311 today, and this is a profit account of $100,000 I bought. So I'm now above $6,000, of which I commenced this particular trading account this week as of 2 days ago. I'm up to above $6,000. So this is massive, guys. This is massive. So as of which you guys can see, this is my activities for today. And if you go through my history, overall history from here, so let me just click there. So I click here now, and I click on last week. So this will give you the total accumulation of what I have accumulated for the past days, or for the past 1 week, or maybe a month, in your account. So you guys can see I commenced this particular trade on. Okay, let me just show you guys. So I commenced this particular trade. You can see, yeah, this is when I commenced this particular account. Look at it here. Look at it here. 2024 September 5th, which is yesterday, and I'm currently above $6,000. So let me just take you guys on how how I was able to catch the movement. So you guys know that today, every first Friday of every month is NFP, which is Non-Farm Payroll. So how I was able to catch this move is that okay. So this is the particular section where this particular news occur. As you can see, how the market liquidated this particular zone and is now choose to move towards the direction, which is the buy direction. So I noticed that first and foremost, I have to go back through my higher time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame, and I was able to use my trend line, which you guys know that I'm a favorite of trend lines. So to be trend line, I always get accurate analysis, and also it gives me the accurate analysis I need to know on how the market is going. So of which you guys know, I was able to from the higher time frame, I first of all determine the movement of the market. So I was able to go through the higher time, which is the 4 hours. Then I mark out my trend line from the resistance level, and this is the all-time high, of which you guys can see once the candlestick reach to this level, it will bounce back. Once you come to this level, it will bounce back. This level, it will bounce back. This level, it will bounce back. So because of what? The strong resistance level, and also this is the all-time high at the moment. So I was able to mark out this trend line, and also I was able to mark out the higher low support level, which is this particular trend line here. So I was able to mark it out in order to give me a strong confirmation. So I also mark out the support level as well, which is the support level here, then the resistance level here, and also the strong confirmation level here. So once I was done doing this, then I now went back to my 15 minutes time frame, which is my lower time frame. So and I now waited for the news to occur, of which when the news occurred, the news first of all took a spike, and this particular spike came down here first. It now liquidated so many traders today on this particular spike. Then once the spike occurred, then the market decided to move towards the all-time high direction. Then once it reaches this particular level of the all-time high direction, well, then what did you expect? The market started to reject back by what? Coming down towards coming down below, of which it cannot resist this particular level, the all-time high level. So it is very strong and very massive. So you now have to what? Send it back downwards. So at that particular moment, I took a shot. So that is why if you come over to my history here, you can see this was the shot I took. So this was the 2 shot I took. Look at it here. Let me show you guys. This was the 2 shot I took on that particular movement. So this was the 2 shot I took. So and I was able to catch total of around $600 or so. So I was able to take that shot. And then how I was able to catch other pips was like because whatever that goes up will surely come down. So I now have to wait for my another confirmation zone. So once the market came all the way down to this level, so I was able to do this particular trade this evening. So when the market came down to this level, okay, let me just use 15 minutes time frame. So once the market moved all the way down to this level, so and going back to the 4 hours time frame, I noticed that it's approaching this particular previous all-time high, which is this particular zone. So if you look at it now, this is the previous all-time high. Look at it. This is the previous all-time high. So this is a very strong resistance level, whereby if the resistance becomes a support zone, it is very difficult for that particular movement to penetrate inside that particular zone. So whereby this particular resistance now becomes a support. So there is no need whereby this particular movement will penetrate this particular resistance level and begin to go downwards. So that was my first confirmation. So what I now did is that I have to wait for that zone, wait for this zone to come to my zone, which is this particular level here. Then once I noticed that it has liquidated a little bit from this zone, then I took a buy. From this point. I took a buy from here. So once I took a buy from here, then I my take profit was around 40 to 50 pips, of which I went out from the market at this particular zone, this particular level here was when I went out from the market. So of which, if you come to my history now, this is the last 3 trades I took, which is this particular one here now, this particular trade. So these are the last 3 trades I took today, because it's this. I was able to make, I was able to accumulate around $1,700. So of which you can see. So that was how I was able to catch the pips, catch the movements of the market today. So all these things you need to know when to enter the market and know when to exit the market, and also try to get a confirmation. Do not rush into the market in order to for the market to take you out. So always wait for your confirmation level. So once the market have come to you, then you now take a action and kill the market. So that was how I was able to kill today's news, and also how I was able to make above $6,000 above. So that is it, guys. So please, if you know you are finding value in my videos, and also if you wish to know how I'm using my strategies to make money from the market, so do well to subscribe to the channel, because I will always keep you guys updated, basically based on what is going on in my Forex journey. So do well to subscribe to my channel, and also turn the bell notification so that whenever I drop any video, you will get notified. So let me update you guys by shorting this particular profit I made today. So, and also we look forward for more dollars. We keep on printing money every day through the market. So don't stop playing, guys. Stop playing. So thank you guys, and see you in my next video.